Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chloe. I hope you are doing all good. Today's video is an unboxing and overview of Hermes makeup. Recently, there was a Hermes pop-up store in the small city where I live, so I picked up a few makeup products. Let's take a look together. Because it's the holiday season, the packaging is even more beautiful and special. It's wrapped in this orange box with a green ribbon. So let's open the box. They packed it in a dust bag like this and with the tissue paper. First, there are all the freebies. I'm going to quickly take a look at them. So first, these are the 20 perfume samples. There are 3 different kinds of the perfume. Another Twilly perfume, but this is the miniature. So cute. Le Jardin, a miniature perfume. And this pretty package has the other 2 perfume samples. And this is the Rouge Hermes samples. We have 2 shades, number 27 and 89. And this is the H24 face moisturizer in this tube package. And this is another sample. It's a full size of the perfume soap. I love the smell of it. Very nice gift. And they got me these 2 Christmas ornaments. And inside of them, we have another miniature perfume. They are so pretty. I love them. Now let me introduce the main product. Hermes has launched a total of 6 different shades of mascara: purple, green, blue, red, brown, and black. I decided to purchase the blue and red shade. First, let's open the blue shade. It comes in the iconic orange box. The packaging has a gold bar-like design, and it feels substantial, making it very luxurious. The Hermes H logo is embedded on the top. Looking at the brush, it's like this. Although it's a blue shade, it's not overly vibrant, so you can create a very subtle look. It would be great for when you want to achieve a special and sophisticated atmosphere. Next is the red shade. As you can see, it's red, but dark and toned down, almost close to the burgundy shade. I bought it because I think it would look beautiful paired with gold, orange, or brown tone eyeshadows, especially in autumn or winter. Now let's move on to the eyeshadow. There are a total of 6 different palettes, and I chose 2 of them. Let me introduce the first eyeshadow palette, number 3, Ombre Fauves. Known as the most popular color, once again, when you open the orange box, it's inside a dust bag like this. The eyeshadow brush comes with it. The brush quality is soft and it looks adorable. And inside the dust bag, there is a brush holder in the corner right there, making it convenient to carry around. Let's open the eyeshadow palette together. There are a total of 4 shades, and it comes with a mirror. The main color is the iconic Hermes orange, and the other colors are neutral tone, suitable for everyday use. I will swatch them using my finger. The pigmentation is not very intense, but it's very subtle and luxurious. The texture is silky and there is minimal fallout. I like all 4 colors. Oh, and another advantage of this eyeshadow is that it's refillable. After you use it up, you can purchase refill with a better price. The next eyeshadow palette is number 4, Ombre Marines. I didn't plan to buy this color, but a makeup artist tested it on my face, and I liked it so much that I decided to purchase it. It also has 4 colors, with the main point color is blue. From the pictures, the blue might seem too intense, but when applied subtly, it's perfect for daily makeup. Let me swatch it on my skin. What do you think? You can apply it lightly or build it up for a bolder look. Personally, I plan to use this palette with the blue mascara that I got. And for the orange palette, I'm going to pair with the red mascara. I am so excited to use them. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining. For price and detailed ingredients information, check the website link in the description box below. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!